There are two emotions that can literally change the way you live your life. Two powerful emotions that can transform your life completely. It can transform your life 360 degree. And in this episode, I'll share those two emotions with you. If you correctly use these two emotions to your purpose, your life will alter. Are you ready for this? Yes? So, the first emotion is disgust. The first emotion is disgust. What does disgust mean? Disgust means that I've had it. I've had enough in my life. I've had enough of living this life. And disgust means coming to a state where you say that I am no longer going to live this life. I am done with driving the car that I've been driving. I am done. I'll no longer will do the work that I've been doing. I just am disgusted to do this. I'm disgusted to shop for cheaper things. I am done wearing the clothes that I've been wearing. I'm done. I'm no longer gonna live this life. This is one very powerful emotion, because once you say that I'm done living this life, that's when your journey of transformation starts. And a lot of us at different times have felt this emotion. Haven't we? Haven't you? When things are not going the way, when the bills seem high and the income seem low, don't you say to yourself that I'm done living this life? I'm done when my spouse, my wife has to shop for cheaper things. She has things she doesn't even like, but she gets them to the house because it's cheap. This is one strong emotion. And problem is, you think that having problem is a bad. You think that your biggest problem is that you don't want problems, but problems are there to help us to make that leap of faith, to overcome this situation. And once you turn this disgust emotion into your use, things can change miraculously, because this is the tipping point where you say, I've had it enough. I'm no longer gonna accept the life that I was living, and I am gonna change. And that is this emotion. This emotion can do that thing for you. So next time or right now, maybe decide from coming from this place that I have had it enough. I am no longer going to drive the car I'm driving. I'm no longer going to earn the income I'm earning. And there comes the second decision and the second emotion. And the second emotion is decision. Yes, it's decision. It's your decision to be rich. It's your decision to transform your life. So decision comes from a word called incision. And incision means to cut off from all possibilities. Once you decide on something, you cut yourself off from all possibilities. So once you come from a place that I've had it enough, and you mix it with the emotion of decision, your life changes. And magical things can happen once you decide. The biggest thing is people don't decide, and deciding is not easy. Let me clear this for you. Doing things is still easy, but deciding is not an easy task. And once you master this thing, once you master a decision and you say to yourself that I decide to do this, and I am cutting myself off from any other possibility, that's when things start shifting. That's when you become rich. And you combine this decision with a clear mental picture of what you want. What do you want? How much income do you want? What kind of house do you want to live in? What kind of vacations do you want? Which school will your children study in? Which car would you drive? How much would be your portfolio? How much would be your investment? Once you decide everything and anything can happen for you. That is the power of decision. So come from a place that You will not be conformed to your circumstances. You will not be conformed to the situations that there are. Problem is, people keep thinking that I am in this place. This is my current reality. This is my current reality. This is my current reality. Because of their focus on their current reality, they are never able to create the future. They are never able to create the future. So do you want to know how creation happens? Do you want to know how creation happens? For any creation to happen, you have to go in that future. You have to decide, and then you have to work backwards. You have to work backwards. For example, if there's a certain amount of turnover or profit you want to earn in your business, then you first go decide that in future. For example, you decide upon a certain turnover. Now you decide how many customers do you want to achieve that turnover. Now you decide how many leads you want for that turnover. That's called reverse engineering. And once you decide that in your life, that's when creation happens. There's one statement that I'm gonna say which can alter your future, and that is, make your future dream your current reality. Make your future dream your current reality in your mind. So go in that future. What is that future dream? Decide on that future dream and make it your current reality in your feeling. Repeat it to yourself. The higher power, the consciousness, the subconsciousness that we have doesn't know the difference between the current circumstances or the future circumstances. What it knows is energy. Please repeat that after me. What it knows is energy. And what are you putting your energy on? Are you putting it in your current circumstances, or are you putting it in your future circumstances? Things happen when you decide. Combine disgust with decision and with desire of doing something, of achieving something, of living a lifestyle, of becoming that kind of a person, and nothing can stop you in the world. Nothing can stop you in the world. If Barack Obama could become first black prime minister of United States, if someone such as the Wright brothers, who were cycle mechanics, can make the first flying object, that's when anything and everything is possible. Do you know the first time when US decided to go, like John F. Kennedy was the president of United States of America at that time, and he asked the person who was the head of space engineering in NASA at that time, that what would it take for us to create a spaceship that will make the person land on the moon. So he asked, what do you need to create that spaceship? And the reply of that person was, the will to do it. The reply was, the will to do it. So combine that emotion of disgust, use it to your influence, use it to your power, make that decision, create that desire, make that decision for yourself that you deserve to be rich. You have all the right in the world to be rich. And when you come from this place, magic is gonna happen. Yes?